Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 10th chapter, that is the time and work. You know very well friends, the work is directly proportional to the time or time is directly proportional to the work. Okay, so already we have discussed about that, some problems, examples in the previous video, but students today we are going to discuss about that some word problems in that exercise, that is the exercise 10.1 and the second bits. You have see that question friends. Read the question first of all. 10 workers can earn 4,800 in 4 days. 10 workers can earn 4,800 in 4 days. What amount will 8 workers earn in 6 days? So it is also students, that is our variation also you can apply. In these cases also you can use the variations. Okay. So अभी फिर क्या करना है, फर्स्ट हमको एक बॉक्स बना दो मुझे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक द वन बॉक्स दैट विथ दैट इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर यू. If you like that word problems and variation sheet as given, you can make it a box. Okay. Little bit students, one thing I can make like this. Okay. Now, what I have to do? Workers, number of workers, students, we can write. Number of workers. Okay. Next one is there. What is that? Amount. Then amount. N amounts in rupees. Number of days. Okay, three things are there. Yes, number of workers, earn amount and days. Okay, कितना वर्कर्स बचे? टोटल 10 वर्कर्स. ठीक है, ये 10 वर्कर्स कितना अमाउंट अर्न कर रहे हैं? 4,800 रुपीस अर्न कर रहे हैं. कितना दिन पे? 4 डेज में. इजी हो गया हमको अंडरस्टैंड करने का. मतलब 10 वर्कर्स 4,800 अर्न कर रहे हैं कितना दिन पे? 4 दिन पे. ठीक है. What amount will, that means amount not given, you should write down also. This is question mark or by 2 you should put. 8 workers, that means workers number is 8. Earning how many days? 6 days. Yes. Now students, according like that variations you can compare. One constant you can make and you should make it a variation. Okay. Now we have to compare workers with amounts and we can make it either constant days, either 4 or 6, anyone. Constant days. Day is constant. After constant days, workers and amount and ending amount. Amounts. Which proportion sheet? 10 members कितना इनकम कर रहे हैं? 4,800 इनकम कर. कितना भी कांस्टेंट डे में, आइदर 6 डेज और 4 डेज कांस्टेंट डेज में. ओके, इसको मत देखिए. कांस्टेंट दिन में 4 दिन पे कितना कर रहे हैं? 4,800 इनकम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो 8 मेंबर्स, दैट मींस 8 मेंबर्स कितना करेंगे? ज्यादा करेंगे और कम ही करेंगे. कैन यू आइडिया? 10 मेंबर्स 4,800 कर रहे हैं तो 8 मेंबर्स इससे ज्यादा करेंगे और कम करेंगे. कैन यू से? इससे कम करेंगे क्योंकि डेज कांस्टेंट हो गया. ठीक है, 4 डेज में कांस्टेंट हो गया. तो 10 आदमी जितना इनकम कर सकते, 8 आदमी उतना नहीं कर सकते, उससे कम ही करेंगे. तो कम आदमी कम ही करेंगे. तो कौन सा प्रोपोर्शन? डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन. जब डिक्रीज होगा, दोनों क्वांटिटी डिक्रीज हो जाएगा करस्पेंडिंगली, that is called as a direct proportion. So हम क्या लिखेंगे? Earning amounts are in direct proportion or direct variation. So what is the direct variation formula, friends? X1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2, or we can write like this: y2 by y1 is equal to x2 by x1. This is same formula. So now put that in this. What is that will get? Now this is, you put x1, this is x2, y1 and y2. Now what will get? y2 by y1. y2 not there, so we can write here y2 by y1. y1 मतलब 4800 is equal to x2. x2 मतलब 8 by 10, equation 1. Okay students. Similarly students, constant workers. Now workers constant make करो और ये दोनों कंपेयर करो. What will be? ना 10 वर्कर्स कितना कमा रहे हैं? 4800. कितना दिन पे? 4 दिन पे. तो सेम कांस्टेंट वर्कर्स 6 दिन पे मतलब 6 डेज में ज्यादा कमाएंगे और कम करेंगे? ज्यादा कमाएंगे, क्योंकि ज्यादा दिन में ज्यादा कमाई होगा. तो at constant workers कौन सा हो? days and earning amount. Days and amount are in which proportion? In direct proportion. Yes. Hence what will be happen? Same formula we can apply. y2 by y1 is equal to x2 by x1 is equal to, what will happen? Put that values here. What will be? This is, you put x1, x2, y1. Already I written y2. So now put that values. y2 not there. y2 by y1. y1 means 4800 is equal to x2. x2 मतलब 6 by 4. This is equation 2. Okay. Now from equation 1 and 2, observe students, y2 by 4800, y2 by 8000. So it's equal to 8 by 10. Here 6 by 4. So from equation and 1, both we have to take by that compound proportion. We can say that I am writing here from equation 1. This you have to write here. Okay. From equation 1 and 2, what will get? y2 by 4800 is equal to, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सो क्या होगा? 8 by 10 into 6 by 4, और y2 is, we need y2 is equal to 8 into 6 into ये 4800 और ऐसा देखो नहीं तो 8 by 10 into 6 by 4 into 4800. ठीक है. सो नाउ क्या करना है? एक जीरो, फर्स्ट जीरो कैंसिल कर दो. 4 पे कैंसिल करोगे तो 4 1 जो 4 2 जो 120. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई करो. कितना होता? 96 into 6, 5760 so rupees. Hence y2 is equal to 5760. Hence question, what is that our? The question that is, what amount will 8 workers earn in 6 days? The amount, required amount is, the amounts is how much? 5760. Did you understand, students? So it is very important problem, students. What you have to do? First of all, if that question is given like that, you have to make it the works. Then for you it is easy. 10 workers, 4,800 in 4 days. 8 workers, how many they will have in 6 days? Then make it the two parts. Then 2 variation will get, and both variations combination if you do, then we will get the answer. Okay, students. I hope you have understand about that. Now Second question, students, here, let's see. A system can be filled by a tap in 7 hours and emptied by an outlet pipe. This is your 8th questions. 9 are same as it. I also yesterday also I explained to you. So a system can be filled by a tap in 7 hours and emptied by an outlet pipe in 9 hours. How long will take it to fill the system if both tap and pipe are togetherly open? Okay. So second first solution. First we can write a system can be filled in कितना can be filled by the tap by a tap in 7 hours. Okay, so what we can do in 1 hour, can be filled by tap is equal कितना 1/7 part. ठीक है. Now same like a system can be emptied by tap by outlet in how many hours? 9 hours. The system can be emptied in 1 hour by outlet is equal to 1/9. ठीक. नाउ क्या करना है, हमको कितना पानी फिल हो रही, हाउ मच वाटर इज फिल्ड इन 1 hour. The system filled water in 1 hour is equal to क्या होगा 1/7 minus 1/9 is equal to कितना होगा 63. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2/63 parts. Those 2/63 parts they are completing in 1 hour. So time taken to fill the system is how much? 1 divided by 2/63 is equal to 63/2 is equal to 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 1/2. 2 3 2 means 3 is 2 1 is 31, 2 1 is next 1 hours. This is your answer. So how much time for both at a time if you will start that, then within 32 hours 31 half hours it will complete that, fill that system. Okay students, I hope you have understand about that. For your homework exercise 10.1. Thank you all of you friends, have a nice day.